Top tips for powerful mobile app development using AI. An app developer can incorporate AI into their project depending on the task on hand. Artificial intelligence contribution to mobile application development. Voice assistant. Voice search and voice command search are some of the popular advances in AI. From typing to now asking the assistant, AI has made it easy. AI made it possible to search for answers even without unlocking the phone. Voice command allows you to respond to text messages without having to type. Cool enough, right? Facial recognition. This has become a popular feature on smartphones given its ease to use. These systems use algorithms to recognize the face and unlock the phone or apps. Companies are to implement more advanced algorithms in the future to identify changes in facial features. Companies are to implement more advanced algorithms in the future to identify changes in facial features. Smart camera. Mobile manufacturers have made significant advances in the camera feature. It is now one of the most important areas in which the Android app development personnel are making considerable advancements. Cameras can now detect the subject in the frame and categorize them as a face, food, animals, etc. and adjust the setting to produce the best possible outcome. It can also identify and enhance the feature and result in an outstanding portrait image. More advanced features can count the calories in the food from a simple photo. Translator. The vast array of translation apps is inoperable without internet access. Advanced AI could allow smartphones to translate and transliterate into different languages in real time without internet connectivity. AI provides a language instruction tool that can allow the phrases to be translated without time lag and can be adjusted for latency using AI. Conclusion. AI is to open up a lot of innovative opportunities for innovation in the mobile application industry. As a result of artificial intelligence, there have been considerable changes in user interaction with the applications. It can collect user data by analyzing the user behavior and interaction in the application. AI can also store the data collected. The data collected by AI includes essential data like location, contact, and daily interactions, which are used to serve the users better. AI in mobile apps has demonstrated its value in business growth and user engagement. Thus, it is critical to include AI in mobile applications. In simple words, AI is reshaping the smartphone industry.